An easy way to improve your print-on-demand sales is to make better mockups, to improve how you frame your products in your customers' eyes. Now, there is no better tool to do this than Placeit. If you haven't heard of it, they are the go-to place for your print-on-demand mockups. In this video, I want to show you 5 Placeit mockups that you maybe did not know existed that really help you expand your horizons and maybe offer your designs on additional products, or like I said, just improve the way you frame your existing products. So I'm excited to show you these. Let's get to it. Placeit has thousands of mockups for all types of products and occasions. You can actually go up to the mockup section of their navigation and click merch videos and browse all of the different video mockups that they have available as well. All right. Now you can click fall mockups as we head into the fall season and see a lot of, well, you guessed it, seasonal mockups related to fall. All right. I actually just recently did a video talking about how there's going to be an increase in demand for sweatshirts. So if you're sweatshirts or hoodies, by the way, I'm more of a hoodie guy, but hey, either way, you can find mockups for both on Placeit. Now I wanted to share with you specifically 5 mockups that I was really liking, that I thought had potential, not just to, I don't know, impress you, but also to increase your sales, because I'm pretty sure all of 5 of them have multiple people in them, which is like subtly guiding your potential customer to say, I'm not just going to buy one shirt or one sweatshirt or one hoodie. I'm going to buy multiple. I'm going to buy one for me and my partner, for my brother, my sister, my family, for our family trip. You'll see in a second here. So the first one I wanted to show you is a mom sitting on a yoga mat with her daughter. Well, I guess it's presumed, right? Or it could be a yoga teacher with her very young student there. By the way, all of the designs I show you are available on Creative Fabrica. So if you guys are interested, I'll also drop links to those in the description. But this is an easy way of marketing not just one, but 2 targeted, niched down shirts. And the niche is reaffirmed. Again, we are controlling the perception of our customer. It's reaffirmed by the fact that they are sitting on a yoga mat doing the little meditation pose, right? I want to say the namaste pose, but I'm pretty sure it's not what it's called. Either way, this is a nice way of selling yoga shirts. The next mockup I wanted to share with you, this could be perfect for July 4th or really any sort of patriotic niche. We have elections coming up. I mean, this could be perfect for that as well. And again, it's his and hers, right? By the way, we control the shirt color. You can see here, I can change the blue to just a straight up white if I want to. I can change the tank top color to black if I want to, or really any color, neon green, whatever I see fit really, all right? In order to upload these mockups, by the way, or create these mockups, you just find the mockup on Placeit, upload your images. It lets you upload separate images for the left shirt and the right shirt. In this case, if I want to, I can do different ones, or I can use the same one, as you can see, and then set your shirt color and download your mockup. Of course, when you upload them to platforms like Etsy, you can also crop the mockups so that you can zoom in on specific parts, which I typically do. But that doesn't mean that people can't see the full mockup when they're on Etsy. They're able to zoom out once they're on your product listing. So that's one advantage that you can have over your competition that maybe isn't going the extra mile to zoom in and crop specific portions of this the mockup. Like I might go actually and crop, Etsy wants us to do squares. I might use my primary mockup and crop a little square like right there, kind of what I just showed you there on the screen. But then when they click my listing, they can see the full image. The next mockup I wanted to show you here is a family vacation photo. And I love that design, by the way. It says Family Vacation 2023. Ryan, how'd you make that design? Not that I couldn't make this design, but I used Creative Fabrica and downloaded it as is. So again, Creative Fabrica has got the links in the description if you guys want to follow along. I think that is a very complementary tool with all the pre-built designs or design assets that you can mix and match to create your own designs that plays really well with Placeit. All right, you feed that right into Placeit. You make some really nice mockups with your nice designs, and then you're cooking, right? Then you're making some sales. So what you can see here is you got the mother, the daughter, and the dad. They're all wearing their family vacation shirts. Somebody who finds my listing like this is saying, hey, I'm not just buying one shirt for myself. I'm buying 2. I'm buying 3, 4, however big their family is. I love that. We're subtly guiding them to buy multiple shirts. And also, I mean, notice I actually offered them in different colors. We have the daughter wearing a white foreground design on a darker colored shirt, and then the mom and the dad wearing the darker foreground against the lighter colored shirt, which you actually can do, but we'll save that for a different, and when I say can do, I meant with like automated fulfillment when you publish from your production partner like Printful, Printify, etc. We can save that video for a different day though. Mockup number 4 is big sister, little brother, right? Why sell one shirt when you can sell 2 or more, right? You can have multiple big sisters, little brothers, etc. But as you can see here, just uploaded the designs. I played around with the shirt colors, but if we wanted to, we can have them both just wearing white shirts. It doesn't really matter. However you think it's gonna look best. Oh, that's actually the background color I just changed. Yeah, so Placeit actually lets you adjust things like the background color included, as you just saw me do. So in this case, you know, whichever background color I think looks best, we could go ahead and apply. Really, Placeit is very flexible. Not all mockups let you change the background color, but in this case, like in this one, you can in fact do that. And by the way, once you upload your designs, you can also scroll down and see more templates with these models available. So if you're really liking one mockup for your primary, don't forget you can scroll down and see even more mockups available, like literally one click away, with the same models or like related similar themed mockups. And mockup number 5 that I wanted to show you, hey, Halloween guys, it's coming up. If we're selling print on demand and we're serious about Halloween, we probably want to get started very soon. So I did want to just mention that we can start listing our Halloween products, and don't forget to make those mockups really, really good. Get customers excited about buying from you and not your competition. Placeit helps us do that. Here you see 4 different trick-or-treaters. I got a little lazy on this mockup, but I grabbed 2 different designs. We have the yellow mustard and the pickle relish. All right, so we got Team Pickle Relish and Team Yellow Mustard there. And I just uploaded them, just like like I mentioned earlier, set the color. So for the mustard, you'll never guess, I set it to yellow. For the relish, I set it to green. Boom, the mockup is done. The mockup's looking great. This also doesn't have to be the primary mockup. This could just be an additional image on your listing. But don't forget, the same way that, I don't know, I want to pretend like everybody's been selling on Amazon for as long as I have. When I started selling on Amazon late 2016, the amount of time we would spend making really good product images, product listing images, because anybody who cares enough to view more than just image number 1, if they go to image number 2, number 3, number 4, convince them to make a purchase. They're probably on the fence if they're doing that. So uploading really good images that are value propositions, showing, hey, if you purchase from me, look at what you can do. Look at the smile on these kids' faces, right? Subtly guiding them towards hitting the add to cart button and becoming a paying customer. So that is the goal here with Placeit, guys. I'm going to link to Placeit, first link in the description. If you have any questions or feedback, let me know, but they really are changing the game when it comes to mockups, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, hit that like button, let the YouTube algorithm know. Hit the subscribe button if you're not already. I'd really appreciate that. And guys, I will see you tomorrow with a new video.